Welcome people, thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now people, as Coffee saying, gratitude is a must. Some just want to take a minute out of the people in good news time. We're telling them thanks for what going on over the last couple of weeks. Watch it. Watch there. Watch over there, sir. Watch there. People, when you go on with yourself, you know, when you go on that bag of things, just start bigging up for all of the shares, for all of the comments and the love and them things they want to give the news network. And you know, we thank you. We thank you. Now, if you not follow Pattern News for a while, you know, so we ever ball for ads. We want some ads on the network. Well, right now we have ads for kill. So when I go boss and no more ads, because we go killing with ads. Right? But as I said, big up on yourself. Thanks to the support people. We're going to run right on the news because we have a whole heap to talk about today. We could eat it now. As we always say on Pattern News, we're not trying to give the news first, you know. We're trying to give the news the best. So right now, you know, everybody know already. So the COVID numbers, them they up there. Them are rise, people. Them up there. I remember the first time, you know, with the sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. If we not follow up the news network, I know it's not the first time that go on, you know. And the first time that go on. As you know, I work from home. I work from because from the lockdown, the first lockdown, people will say we now go back in the office until the COVID numbers them go down. And then we're going on now. So we still work from home. And to be honest, it's somebody who will use the bathroom. If them want to do, we can't stop them from doing. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah, that's a part of the thing, you know. So right now, people, as you know already, everybody know this. The COVID numbers are rising in Jamaica. But people, I want to talk to you a little bit. When you stop social distance and them something, when you stop wearing a mask and them thing, how really are going? Hey, no lower the party thing them and them something, man. Left it alone, man. The numbers ain't go back down with them figure, man. Please, me I beg you know. And I just want to talk to the people them they are fine. The auntie and the uncle them and the sister and the brother them and them something there. We don't want to see you right now. We don't really want to see you know. When you can stay one of them, we take the barrel and them something. Send on your suitcase and the barrel and them thing. We love you know. But we don't want to see you right now. Because we don't know when I carry with you now. Even if we don't get tested and we come out clear, we don't know when the catch and play when I come down. So that's nobody come. Stay one of them. Stay one of them. Stay one of them. Because see the right now, the hospital them officially, the government say officially, the hospital them lock. We don't never say it lock still. But them say they want to take emergency cases. So you know what that means? It lock. So that means say the people with that plan for you to do the create challenge and them sitting there over a lockdown, want to leave it alone. So if you don't brought nothing, please know so you can't go to the hospital. People, just make sure you keep yourself safe over the lockdown. Please, I beg you know. Because the hospital is there for rescue, you know. Alright? Next thing for the news, people, and people that want to detrimental, you know, and they are one, you know. But we have the first case of a man that get mashed up on the create challenge in Jamaica, yeah, people. People, you come into the network, say, boy, a brother named Corey. Him say him now again last time, because nobody knows him. But Corey got to do the create challenge, people. But the thing about Corey is that Corey get married 2 weeks ago, people. 2 weeks ago, Corey get married. And Corey did the create challenge, people. And Corey, producer, me have to read this? Me no want to read this. Me can't just say just drop and mash up. Me no want to read this. That's too much detail for you people. Me no want to read this. Yeah, people, sorry about that. I never want to talk about that part of news, people, but you have to read the news like how you get it, you know. Yeah, so based on what I see on the teleprompter here, so people, Corey in the hospital in a critical condition because Corey dropped off a crate and in the act of dropping him broke his penis in 2 places. We get an interview with his wife and thing, but he never too optimistic because she say them just married 2 weeks now, and I broke up something not gonna work for her. So she feel like she left him. I thought about some sport news right now, people. Some important sport news. Now, people, everybody talk about this right now. Everybody knows that Cristiano Ronaldo gone back to Man U. It's official, people. Them officially gone back to Man U. However, the Man U fans them did a slaughter the man. Did a burn up the classic jersey them. Did a murder him pan the social media. Cause them get a rumor say the man I go to Manchester City. All them get is a rumor, people. And then people start saying, yo, Cristiano the baddest baller in the world. The man are the worst. The man are this. The man are the X and the man are the Y. Someone ask the Man U fan them. And I know the news supposed to be objective and all them sitting there. But I want to ask you, why not shame? Why not supposed to well embarrass, man? We're supposed to be more embarrassed than sha'carri win. We're supposed to be more embarrassed than sha'carri win, man. Supposed to be way more embarrassed. We're not doing yourself bad, man. We're not do better. We're not do better. We're not do better, man. So there's some more sporting news right now. Right now, we want to talk about the run left them gang. People will find out some more information about them, you know. And as I say, the police still look for them on the road. Them still left on the run, people. And right now, them turn up as Switzerland. Well, right now, people, we are begging you, if you don't see the run left them gang, you left them alone. Because right now, them are move shifty, you know, them are switch up things, you know. Because what we notice, you know, is that right now, Shelly with the Remy are the one who run left everybody at the front, you know, people. She's the one that cause big problems at Switzerland, you know. Then Ilian fast like a jet plane, they right back her. And Sherika at like 10 dengue fever, they right back at them. People, we are begging you. If you don't see the run left them gang, call the police. Call the police. Don't try to take them on. Because now you're in worries. Left the run left them gang alone and call the police. We are warning you. Next thing on the news, you know watch ya. Watch ya, people. No, answer, you have a general, you know. You're the boss, brother. Big up yourself. I will love the accord you do for the girl over there at Japan. But answer, you have to go for public transportation alone. I know your thing, brother. No, sir, I know your thing. Let you bust them alone, brother. Because based on what I see right now, you better take up some walking or some cycling. Because to me see it right now, the bus them now work out for you. So just let you bust them alone. Matter of fact, you can't pick up a new medal in a cycling or in a walking. See World Championship will come up. I right time to take it up, brother. Just let you bust them alone. You bust them now work out for you, brother. Last week's sporting news, I do some boxing right now, some local boxing. Now, we get the information from a roving reporter, Ricky down a country. And Ricky basically say, them two boxers named Tiny and next one named Walrus. Now people want to check out the boxing match and tell me, who win the match, people? A Tiny win the match or a Walrus? Check it out. Hey, people, Jamaicans not easy, you know. We feel like say a Walrus win, you know. We feel like a Walrus win, man. Walrus win a match, man. But people, what do you feel like? Leave a comment or something. You feel like say, them two boxers can go Olympics and get a gold medal? Me feel so. Me feel so. Me feel so. Someone want to talk to the our J3A. Looking at them boxers, you know, man. So I can go on for them for France, man, for Paris. But them go and go do them thing and get a gold. Thump out a boy teeth. Yeah.